Hi guys, so let's begin. Today I'll show you how to create a poster on Canva without having any prior design experience. So this is the Canva homepage. Here you can see the plus sign where you can create. So today as we are creating poster, I'll search poster here and I'll choose this size. So as you can see, this is the canvas here. You can search for what kind of poster you want. I am searching for a drawing competition poster. Let's create that today. Here you can see so many options and you can select any one. Today let's select this particular template and edit it. Don't worry about the color because you can change the color and font of everything. So now let's begin editing this. The first thing is that you can change the font according to your needs. So like you can try many different fonts, but I like this particular font, so I'm leaving it in this. Now let's find font for others. So you can always try multiple fonts for many times and then you can select the best one. So let me keep this for now. As you can see, you can delete the unwanted elements and details, and you can increase the size of the fonts from here. Let me increase the size of both of these. You can add necessary details like the date, time, venue. You can also add text box where you can add new details. For now, let me just add the date and the time. As you can see, now we have added that. Now you need to change the content. Let me put the topic drawing competition here. As you can see, I'm typing in drawing competition. Now you can also add spacing between both of them. As you can see here, the space is pretty less. This is how you do it. You can increase size and center it, align it. Now you can see how it looks. Next is you can add multiple elements. You can search for different elements. I'm searching drawing right now. As I search drawing, you can see there are so many different types of elements which we can see here. You can choose any one. You can also change the color of the elements, as I am changing the color of this cloud. Let's keep it blue today. So now let's change the color of the text and other elements to suit it, so that it goes with the blue cloud. Let me change it to white. As you can see, now it looks much better. Now let's change the color of drawing competition as well, and the background as well. So first let's change the background color to light blue, and now let's change drawing competition color to light blue as well. Now you can see how different it looks. You can also change the color of certain elements like this butterfly. Okay, so now you can remove the unwanted element. Like I also don't like this picture, so let's delete it, and you can choose photos from the elements tab if you don't have. Here I'm choosing it from graphics. As you can see, there are so many different graphics. I'm choosing this particular girl for the poster today, and let's center align it. You can also add such elements like the handprints which I'm adding. There are many other elements as well, like the brushes and other drawings, etc. You can change the position of the elements that were already present. You can search for other elements as well. There are so many elements. Now I want to I want to add some texture to the page, so let's add some paint strokes or some paint splashes to our drawing. I mean our poster. So here is one splash which I got. I can add it at the edges of the page. I can change the color of the elements as I earlier told, so I'm changing the color to blue, and yeah, different shades of blue, or you can even put orange or something. Let's keep it yellow. Okay, so this is how your poster is looking after you edited it. There are also other features like uploads. You can upload your file from here. Any pictures or videos, you can upload it from here. So I'm adding our club logo to the poster. This is how you upload images and you use them into your poster. So I have added our logo. Now we can decide the placement of the logo. For placing it, I think we need to remove the sun element. So let me just delete the sun and decrease the size of our logo first, and place the logo and increase the size accordingly. I think this looks better. Okay, this is the outcome. Now you need to see the whole poster once closely. Even if you want some elements, you can also add pictures through frames. Like for example, let me search frames. Here you can see many shapes wherein you just need to select a picture either from your device or from the elements tab. For example, I want a painting picture, so let me search paint. I'll choose any one picture. For example, I'm choosing this one today, and you have to just drag it inside the frame, and yeah, it's done. You just have to place the frame wherever you want to. So this is how you can add different shapes, different pictures in shapes. Yeah, so now we don't need the frame right now. This is the final outcome. Now you just have a look at the whole poster. If you want any changes, you can, one more thing is that you can add effects to the font, like shadow, lift, you can add outlines. So for now I'm keeping a mild shadow. As you can see the difference now. This is how you can create a basic picture within minutes, not even hours. And I think creativity has no bounds, so you can you know create it, use your creativity and make it look prettier. So thank you for watching the video. Hope it's useful. Thank you.